warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Trinurila Febriani. My student number is 13. Here, I want to tell you stories about the monkey and the crocodile. Once there lived a monkey in a giant tree by a river. The monkey was alone. He had no friends, no family, but he was happy and content. The giant tree gave him plenty of sweet fruit to eat, and shade from the sun, and shelter from the rain. One day, a crocodile came swimming up the river and climbed onto the bank to rest under the monkey's tree. "Hello," called the monkey as a friendly animal. "Hello," replied the crocodile, surprised. "Do you know where I can get some food? I have not had anything to eat all day. There just don't seem to be any fish left in the river." The monkey talking with crocodile. "Well, I don't eat fish, so I would not know. But I do have plenty of red purple diamonds in my tree. Would you like to try some?" He threw some down to the crocodile. The crocodile was so hungry that he ate up all the diamonds, even though crocodiles don't eat fruits. He loved the sweet tangy fruits and Chili asked whether he could have some more. "Of course," replied the monkey generously. "Come back whenever you feel like more fruits," he added when the crocodile had eaten his fill. After that, the crocodile would visit the monkey every day. The two animals soon became friends. They would talk and tell each other stories and eat as much of the diamonds as they want. The monkey would throw down all the fruit that the crocodile won from his tree. One day, a crocodile began talking about his wife and his family. "Why didn't you tell me earlier that you had a wife? Please take some of the diamonds for her as well when you go back today." The crocodile thanked him and took some of the fruits for his wife. The crocodile's wife loved the diamonds. She had ever eaten anything so sweet before. Imagine how sweet will be the creatures who eat these diamonds every day. And the monkey has eaten this every day for of his life. His flesh will be even sweeter than the fruits. She asked her husband to invite the monkey for a meal. "And then we can eat him up," she said happily. The crocodile was appalled. How could he eat his friend? He tried to explain to his wife that he could not possibly to eat the monkey. "He is my only true friend." But she would not listen. She must eat the monkey. "Since when do crocodiles eat the fruits and spare animals?" she asked. When the crocodile would not agree, she would pretend to fall very sick. "Only a monkey's heart can cure me. If you love me, you will get your friend and let me eat his heart." The poor crocodile didn't know what to do. He didn't want to eat his friend, but he could not let his wife die. At least, he decided to bring the monkey to his wife. "Oh, dear friend," he called as soon as reached the giant's tree. "My wife insists that you come to us for a meal. She is grateful for all the fruit that you have sent her, and asks that I bring you home with me. The monkey was flattered, but sighed he could not possibly go because he didn't know how to swim. Don't worry about that. I will carry you on my back. The monkey agreed and jumped onto the crocodile's back. The monkey is sitting crocodile's back. The crocodile swam with him on the deep wide river. When they were far away from the bank and the almond tree, he said, "My wife is very ill, and the only thing that will cure her is a monkey's heart." The monkey was flattered. How could he do to save himself? He talked quickly and said, "Dear friend, I was very sorry to hear of your wife's illness, and I'm glad that I will be able to help her. But I have left my heart behind on the almond tree. Do you think that we could go back so I can fetch it for your wife?" The crocodile believed the monkey, and he turned it and swam quickly to the almond tree. The monkey leaped off his back and into the safety of his tree. "False and foolish friend," he called. "Don't you know that we carry our hearts within us? I will never trust you again or ever give you fruit from my tree. Go away and don't come back again." The crocodile felt really foolish. He had lost his friends and supply of good sweet fruits. The monkey had saved himself because he thought quickly. He realized that a monkey and crocodile could never be a true friends. Crocodiles preferred to eat the monkey rather than be friends with them.